Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the easy mode at the Samsung Galaxy A6. It is a mode for the elderly or for people who just start with a smartphone and have a bit problems with because everything is too tiny and so on. You can make the icons much bigger and have a better overview on the desktop. So not so many icons and so on. So let me show you. First of all, go on the settings like this, like that. Then we go on display. So and if you scroll a bit down, you will see here the easy mode. So tap on it. So, and now change on easy mode and go on apply. And as you can see now, everything is a bit bigger now. The font size is much bigger. Let me show you the home screen as well. And as you can see, we have not that many icons on the home screen, and the icons are also bigger than before, and it has a better overview and so on. So on the main page you have the most important stuff, begin start, like the phone, messenger, so like the phone, like the text messages, the camera, the gallery, and the internet. And if you want, you can have also a second page or the third page and so on and so on. You can edit it. And here on apps, you will find all the apps you will have on your phone. Maybe like WhatsApp. Let me turn WhatsApp to the home page. Like this. So hold it and put it like this. Let me show you one more time. Go on apps. Let us maybe do it with Shazam. If you want to have an app to the home screen, then just go on the app, hold the app, and go on home screen. It goes automatically, and now it is also here on the second page. So it is the same way as usual. Also, if you have the regular mode, it is the same way. Okay. May you want to change these icons here. May you want to have WhatsApp on the starting page. For that, you remove the internet first to the second page. Just like this example, you can remove also another app, put it on the second page here or on the third page, wherever you want to have it. Then go on WhatsApp, hold it again, and hold it and hold it. Oops, too far. And just leave your finger, and it's now on the home screen. I hope you could follow me. Yeah, so you can customize the screen also like as the regular mode. So, and if you are fit with all this stuff, you can change to the regular mode. Again, I will show you soon. Let me show you also another nice tool. If you're here on the home screen, just go to that side, and you can add also here some contacts. So people you call often, you can have it here directly so that you don't have to go to the phone book before and so on. Also, this is a bit more bigger. So a very nice mode for starters. Okay, now let me show you how you can go back to the regular mode if you're fit for the regular mode. Again, so go on the settings, like this. Then go on display, again. Go down to easy mode, and now go to the standard mode, apply, and everything will turn now in the regular mode. So you see the font size is getting smaller, same as the icons, and we have more space now. Before we had 3 icons in a row because they were a bit bigger. Now we have 5 icons here. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it and show you something new. Yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up, or maybe subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again on my channel. I've created also some other videos here if you're interested and if there's something for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.